Hi everyone, welcome to Study FAQ. This is Sohan. So today we're going to discuss about China's 55 apps ban in India. So we all know that yesterday in 29 June 2020, India banned 59 Chinese apps. Okay. So here today we're going to discussing about the laws behind those apps, ban of these apps and the alternatives for some of those apps. Okay. So moving on to the next slides, we can see here some of these 59 apps are listed here. Okay, at the top we can see the TikTok, which is the huge and most popular one of the most popular apps in India. Okay, and followed by ShareIt, Zender, which are mostly used for sharing apps from one phone to one system to another phones. Okay, yeah, the Hello app, Dew battery saver app, Clash of Kings app. Okay, Bigo Live app. These are the one of the most popular apps in India. So all these apps are banned in India. So it can make any problems. Okay, so moving on to the next slide, the law behind behind this ban. The ban has been enforced under section 69A of our Information Technology Act 2000. Okay, so power to issue directions for blocking for public access of any information through any computer resources. Okay, so this is the main law behind this ban. Okay, and here is the main government of India's released press release. Okay, government bans 65 mobile apps which are prejudicial to sovereignty and integrity of India, defense of India, security of state and public order. So this is one of the most strong statement here which published by government officials. Okay, and moving on to the next slide, how will this the ban be enforced? The notification is expected to be followed by instruction to internet service providers to block these apps. Users are likely to soon see a message saying access to the apps has been restricted on the request of this government. And if you are still using these apps, just delete these apps. Okay, there will be no off used. Moving on to the next slide, what are the alternatives for some of these apps? You can download these apps in the alternative of those Chinese app you have. ShareChat or Mitro app for TikTok. Mitro is an Indian app which just developed in India. Fortnite for PUBG Mobile. You can use Fortnite for PUBG Mobile. You can use Google File instead of ShareIt. Okay, Geo browser instead of UC browser. Selfie camera, you can use selfie camera app to Beauty Plus. Adobe Scan for cam scanner. So these are those apps you can use instead of these Chinese apps. Okay, so we all know that there is a war like position in between Chinese and India's. Okay, so in this situation, this ban of these 59 Chinese app can make it may create an issue between these two countries, and we don't want any war, we don't want any types of problems between these two countries. Okay, and we can't do anything what our government officials or what Chinese government official will discuss it better. So we can just pray for there is no war-like situation in our India or Indian Chinese. So stay free and stay safe. Okay, thank you. And if you like this video, please like, share this video and do subscribe to my channel. Okay, in the next video we will announce a programming series for absolute beginner. Okay, so if you are just trying to start your journey in programming, you can subscribe to my channel.